The dodge tool allows you to lighten certain areas of your image on which you apply this tool. It can be used like a brush tool. All you have to do is paint over the area which you want to lighten. You can adjust the size of the brush in the slider that you can see in the options bar. You can select the range and you can adjust the percentage of exposure for this tool in the options bar. The burn tool creates greater contrast by deepening the shadows in certain portions of the image where you apply this tool. You can adjust the size of the brush using the slider in the options bar. You can select the range and also adjust the exposure in percentage in the options bar for this tool. The burn tool creates a three-dimensional appearance. The more you paint over an area with the burn tool, the darker it becomes. The sponge tool in Photoshop works much like the sponge sitting on your kitchen sink. It can be used to soak up a color, that means to desaturate the color, or wring it out, it means to saturate the color. You can find the sponge tool on the left hand side in the toolbox along with the other tools like dodge tool and burn tool. After you select the sponge tool, you have to make the appropriate settings in the options bar to choose whether to saturate or desaturate the color. The blur tool allows you to paint the blur effect on specific areas of an image. The blur tool in Photoshop works like paintbrush tool. Select it from the left toolbar and paint blur onto your image. You can use this tool to create a soft effect like somewhat a dreamy or smoky effect on certain portions of your image.